Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're going to show you the step-by-step process on how to unscrew, remove, and then stow your upper cargo rails, whether you're working on a minivan or any other mid-size or full-size SUV. Let's take a look. From here, we're just going to hop back up on the vehicle and stow our actual rails. Go ahead and remove the tabs here. And I'll do that for the opposite side as well as both of the rear locking knobs here. On the opposite side, the driver's side now, and I have all of these knobs loosened up. These do not come out of the actual rails. Next step, reference your letters A, A. On the opposite side, you have B. Over here, you have D, and that is going to be stowed in the D. So what we're going to do, as you can see here, the aft or rear rail, letter D on the driver's side. Not sure if you could see it, but C on that side, that portion of the rail is actually going to come all the way to our side and secure itself to here, the letter C. We are going to take the A portion, and this is going to shift all the way over there to the A portion, as you can see right there. And then that B section is going to be shifted all the way back and stowed in the actual B portion. So in order to do that, I'm just going to carefully shift the actual rails up and out. Be careful, you do not want to harm any of your paint. I'm going to grab this rail, pretty dirty, just be careful. And C matches with C. This little hinge, it folds down flush into that slot there. Align it properly. This hinge has already gone down, and all you're going to do is tighten it back in the thread. And now this is a lot more aerodynamic, and the rails are out of the way. Adjust the knobs pretty snug. Try not to over tighten them. You don't want to break these, that would not be good. And what I'll do is align the actual knobs in this manner for best aerodynamic flow. From here, let's hop to the opposite side and secure A and B. On the opposite side, B is going all the way to the aft B, and A will come all the way to the front. Got a lot of bugs on this rail. Gonna wash our hands after this for sure. And again, this little hinge just folds down. A will go into A. And as you can see here, just align that thread properly and secure it. And back to B. Alright, at this point, all 4 knobs are secured, the rails are stowed, the cargo topper is removed, and I'm going to store that cargo topper. From here, YouTubers, we hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching, and definitely check out those videos on how to install the cargo topper as well as how to fix those actual smashed in dents and cracks. Because if you accidentally did that, you don't want to go out and spend an additional $700, especially if you just bought it a month ago. That would not be cool. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next videos.